A big welcome to our webinar, everyone. We are so thrilled to have you join us today. Now, some of you might already know a thing or two about landing page marketing and landing page builders. But if you're still in the haven't built my first landing page yet camp, you're in the right place. And for those of you who are seasoned pros, trust me, there are always a few fresh tips and tricks you can pick up to sharpen your skills. Today, we are going to guide you through everything you need to know about landing pages and landing page builders. First up, let me introduce our panelists. This is Kritika from the Zoho landing page marketing team. We also have Karthik joining us as a panelist today. These will be the housekeeping rules. The agenda for today will be as follows. First up, we will talk about why having a landing page is key even if you already have a website, and we'll also show you exactly how to create your very first one. Plus, we'll explore how landing pages can really help you supercharge your marketing campaigns and get the results you're looking for. So, let's get started and make this as practical and fun as possible. First up, let's dive into landing pages. I know some of you might already be familiar with the term, but let's break it down for clarity. A landing page is essentially a single web page that's designed with one goal in mind: a conversion. So, what do I mean when I say conversion here? It is any action you want your visitor to take, whether it's signing up for your webinar, downloading a resource, or making a purchase. Think of it as a place where you guide people to a specific action. It is like a focused sale pitch: clear, direct, and to the point. Now you might be thinking, wait, don't I already have a website? Why do I need a landing page too? And that's a great question. Think of your website like a big shopping mall. It's got a little bit of everything: the main store, which is your company information; specialty shops, your products and services; coffee shops, your blog post; and information kiosk, which is your contact details and FAQs. There's a lot going on in your website, but it is a great place for visitors who want to explore everything that you have to offer. But here's the thing: when you're running a specific campaign, like getting signups for your webinar or promoting a special sale, you don't want your visitors wandering through the entire mall and getting distracted by all the other cool stuff. Imagine walking into a mall and instead of being led directly to the store with the sale you're interested in, you're first greeted by endless aisles of other stores and displays. It's easy to get sidetracked and forget what you came for, right? This is where a landing page comes in. It's like a direct to the point pop up shop in the middle of the mall with just one clear message: no distractions, no other shops to tempt you. Just a focused experience designed to get you to take action, whether that's registering for the event, downloading an offer, or making a purchase. It's all about making sure that visitors get exactly what they came for without getting lost in the crowd. Landing pages are specifically designed to minimize distractions by focusing the user's attention on a single clear call to action. This streamlined approach significantly reduces the chance of users getting sidetracked and ultimately leads to improved conversion and a highly likelihood of achieving your marketing goals. Apart from this, landing pages also allow you to segment your audience and deliver a more personalized experience. Consider you have an e commerce business that sells a variety of products. You may even have individual PPC campaigns that cater to each product. But if all of them are serving the same generic website experience, your chances of conversion are going to be very low. By using landing pages, you can actually create tailored experiences based on location, interest, or the specific campaign they're responding to. This kind of personalization can really improve engagement and make the users feel like the experience is designed just for them. If your goal is to generate leads, a landing page is your best friend. It is a simple way to ask for contact information like an email address in exchange for something valuable, like access to a webinar or a free resource. Having a landing page dedicated to this can boost your lead generation and help you build a database of potential customers that you can nurture through follow up campaigns. Alright, now it's become quite clear that your business needs landing pages, right? But here's the $1 million question. What kind of landing page do you need? Wait, there's more than one type? Yep, just like you wouldn't wear the same outfit to a wedding and a beach party, you don't want to use the same landing page for every situation. Different goals equals different landing pages. So, there are a few basic types of landing pages that you would use once you begin the landing page marketing journey. Let's start with the basic lead generation landing pages. Imagine this is your online business card. It's clean, straightforward, and does one thing really well: collect leads. Whether it's for a newsletter, a freebie, or a webinar, this page offers value in exchange for that sweet email address. Next up, we've got the click through landing page. Picture this: you are not just looking to capture a lead, you want to warm up your visitor for a purchase. This page doesn't ask for an email or anything, but it's all about enticing them to click that big bold button that leads them to the next step in your funnel. Next up, let's talk about the sales landing page. This one is all business. It's designed to do one thing and one thing only: convert. We are talking compelling copy, irresistible offers, testimonials, social proof, and prominent CTA buttons. Sales landing pages are high conversion, high impact pages that push your visitors to say, "Yes, I need this product now." Coming up next, we have the seasonal landing page. These pages are all about timing. They are designed to capitalize on the urgency and excitement around a specific season or event. For example, if you're selling holiday gifts, you could create a landing page just for that by showcasing your best sellers, discounts, or exclusive holiday bundles. Seasonal landing pages are perfect for boosting sales, promoting exclusive deals, and making your brand feel timely and in the moment. You've got to act fast, but with the right strategy, they can work wonders for your business. Now that we've covered all the basics of landing page marketing, let's move on to the landing page builder. If you haven't started exploring Zoho landing page yet, I'll share the link for the 14-day free trial in the chat now. Let's get started with our first landing page now. When you sign up for Zoho landing page, you will land in a workspace like this. Before we start creating a landing page, let's learn a little about the landing page workspace. Landing pages are all about collaboration, unless you're a one-person team who's knocking it out of the park. So let's go ahead and click on the Users tab here to add users to your workspace. Click on Invite Users to enter the email address and the access type. We have three different types of access here. Based on the user, you can choose the access type and invite the user. The number of users you will be able to add to your workspace will also depend on your landing page subscription. Now that we've set up a team, let us start creating our first landing page. Let us now click on the New Page button to get started with creating our first landing page. You can choose to create landing pages from scratch or get started with a template, which makes designing much easier. You have a lot of templates here. I'll also drop the link for the templates page in the chat box, which you can browse on your own. But before we choose the template for this landing page, we must decide on the landing page goal. The landing page goal is any action that you want your users to take on the landing page. For example, you might aim to capture leads by offering something valuable like a free ebook or a newsletter sign up. If you're selling a product, the goal could be driving conversions with persuasive CTAs and special offers. If you're hosting an event or a webinar, you want to encourage registrations by showcasing the event's benefits. Some other common landing page goals might include getting signups for product demos or free trials, or simply raising brand awareness through informative content. Whatever the goal, your landing page should guide visitors towards a specific action that moves them closer to becoming a customer. For this webinar, we are going to be building a landing page for a real estate business. Let us say your goal is to create a lead generation landing page for a real estate business where you can showcase a selection of properties and encourage potential customers to inquire for more information. So let us go into the real estate category here and select a template. Once you've picked the right one, give it a name and click create. Now you've entered the landing page builder where you can start customizing the page to align with your brand and sales objectives. Take a good look at this landing page template here. You see the different sections, the header, the midsections, and the footer. I've shown you quite a few landing pages by now, but here's the thing. Not all landing pages look alike. Does that mean that there's no ideal structure or anatomy for a landing page? While it might seem like there's a lot of variation, there is a general anatomy that works across most landing pages. It is all about knowing the key sections that drive conversions, even if the style or design differs. This is the basic anatomy of a landing page. The header grabs attention with clear headline and a strong call to action. Often includes a form to capture the visitor information. The body or the midsection explains the value of your offer using compelling copy, images, or videos to keep visitors engaged and interested. Finally, the footer adds trust signals such as the contact details and social proof like testimonials or reviews. These help reinforce credibility and ensure that the visitors feel secure. There is no hard and fast rule that the landing pages must stick to this anatomy, but it is always good to know your basics before you start getting creative. Understanding the essential structure, header, body, and footer helps ensure that you're hitting all the key points for conversions. Once you've got that down, you can experiment with the design, messaging, and layout to make sure your landing page is truly unique and aligned with your brand style. Now, let's start to get to know the builder better to help unleash your creativity. You can edit the content and images in the landing page by clicking on the element you need to change. You can make basic changes to the text, such as font type, size, and adding links right here using the floating toolbar. For more advanced properties, click on the properties icon here. In this, you will be able to change the alignment of the text, the typography, the background, border, and the shadow. You will also be able to add simple animations to the elements here. The Show on Device feature in this toolbar can help you hide and display an element on a particular device. This is particularly useful when you want to customize the experience differently for mobile users. Similar to this, you can also click on the images and access the properties. In case you want to change the image, click on the Change Image button and choose from your uploaded images or search for an image in the image library. In case you want to insert a whole new section instead of editing the existing ones, you can click on the Insert button here and access a variety of pre-built sections and elements that can be used on your landing page. Elements are standalone images, headings, icons, buttons, and as you scroll down, you can also find unique elements such as countdown timers, Google Maps, audio, and video players. You can click on any element of your choice to insert it in the landing page. You will now be able to customize the content and design of this element. In the same insert menu, you also have sections which are pre-built using a combination of images and text. In case you want to insert a testimonial section or a pricing section directly without having to build it, this is where you go. The Zoho landing page builder consists of numerous options for beginners and seasoned pros. For those who want to customize the landing page further, there are advanced options available to tailor every detail to your specific need. This could include tweaking the design or adding custom scripts for advanced functionality. Landing pages are great for marketing, but they don't work in isolation. To maximize their effectiveness truly, they need to be integrated with a CRM or email marketing system. This integration ensures that the leads generated on the landing page are automatically captured, organized, and nurtured. When a visitor submits their details, they can be instantly added to your CRM where you can track their progress and follow up accordingly. Additionally, email marketing tools can help trigger automated follow up sequences, keeping your leads engaged and moving through the sales funnel. This seamless connection between your landing page, CRM, and email marketing tools ensures that no lead falls through the cracks. Now, let's learn how we can integrate our landing page form with CRM and email marketing tools. Select the form and click on the Integrate button to start integrating your form. You can integrate the form with one or multiple Zoho and third party applications. Let's try integrating with Zoho CRM first. First, we will have to ensure that your Zoho landing page account is integrated with Zoho CRM. Let us go back to the workspace for a moment. In the workspace, click on Settings and navigate to the Integrations tab. Click on the Add Account button next to Zoho CRM to connect your Zoho CRM account with your landing page account. Next, we have to ensure that you have at least one campaign created in your Zoho CRM account. Let us go ahead to the campaign section in my Zoho CRM account. Click on Create Campaign. Give it a name and select the type. We can save the campaign now. Now, let's head back to the builder. Now, click on Zoho CRM and select the account, the portal, and the campaign where you want your leads to be saved. Next, we have to map the landing page form fields to the fields in Zoho CRM so that the data stored is meaningful. In case you want Zoho CRM to automatically detect duplicate entries, this has to be toggled on. Also, if you want to identify leads from this landing page specifically, you can also add a tag here. You also have the option of enriching the leads using publicly available information. We will skip that step for now. Now, the integration is successful. Let us check out how seamless this integration works when published. We will publish this page now. Let us try adding an entry and submit the form. Now, as you can see, the lead is now saved in my campaign in the CRM account. You can now use your sales and marketing teams to pursue these leads and convert them. But let me be very honest. Landing pages don't guarantee conversions unless they are built in a way to convert. Not every visitor is ready to offer you their contact information or sign up for a newsletter. This is where pop ups come in. A well timed pop up can catch their attention, offering a quick way to get more info about your products and services before they leave your page. Pop ups can even highlight exclusive offers or limited time offers, creating a sense of urgency. Whether they're just browsing or serious about making a purchase, you can give them the nudge that they need to take the next step without being pushy. It is a simple, effective way to turn visitors into leads and make sure you don't miss out on a potential buyer. So let's go ahead and learn how to create a pop-up that converts for this landing page. Click on the Insert button and click on Pop-ups. Now click on the Add New Pop-up button to start building your pop-up. Just like landing pages, we also have several pop-up templates available that you can choose to start designing the pop-up. Let's create an exit intent pop-up which is useful to grab the attention of customers right before they leave the page. So let us go ahead and select this template. This is the pop-up builder where you will be able to customize the design and content according to the landing page. Let's go ahead and add a form here so that users will find it easy to give their details instead of going back to the landing page. Let us change the image here to reflect the theme of the landing page. I am also going to tweak the subheading here. Once you are satisfied with the design, click on the Save and Next button. Next, you have to set the trigger for when the pop-up has to be displayed. There are a lot of options here, but we will choose the exit intent trigger since that is the purpose of this pop-up. Click on Save and Next. Let us try and integrate this pop-up form with Zoho Campaigns. Let us go into Zoho Campaigns and create a list. There, we have created the list. Let us go back and integrate the pop-up form with the list in Zoho Campaigns. The integration is now successful. In the published landing page, you can see that the pop-up is triggered right as soon as the user moves the cursor towards the close button. While we discussed landing page publishing briefly while discussing integrations, there are two ways in which you can publish your landing page in Zoho Landing Page. You can publish using the free subdomain provided or publish on your own custom domain, which helps improve the authenticity of your landing page and helps build trust with new users. Click on the Publish button and select the custom domain option. Since we have not added any domains to our account, this page is empty. Let's click on View All Domains. This will take us to the Domains tab of the Settings menu. Click on the New Domain button and enter your domain name. For example, if my domain name is homes.com, I can add a subdomain as property.homes.com. This is where all my landing pages will be published. You will have to verify the domain by following the steps mentioned in this page. The steps will vary slightly based on your DNS provider. Once you have verified the domain, you will be able to get the SSL certificate and start publishing on your own custom domain. While we first spoke about how this webinar is going to guide you through building your first landing page and publishing, it would be incomplete without addressing the most important part of landing page marketing: analyzing your landing pages and optimizing them for better performance. Building the page is just the first step. Understanding how it's performing, identifying areas for improvement, and making data driven adjustments is what will truly drive conversions and success. Before we dive into analytics, it is important to mention one other feature here: IP filtering. This allows you to exclude traffic from specific IP addresses like your own so that your personal visits or internal team activity doesn't skew the data. By filtering out internal or irrelevant traffic, you can get more accurate insights into how actual visitors are interacting with your landing page. This helps you make better data driven decisions. Go into the settings in your workspace, enter the IP addresses that you would like to filter, and save them. Now, let us look at how the analytics dashboard will look like for one of your landing pages. This is the overall analytics dashboard for your landing page where you can track key metrics such as visitors, visits, conversions, conversion rate, and average time spent on the page. When integrated with Zoho CRM, you can also see the customer count and revenue directly from your landing page dashboard as leads are converted into deals. Additionally, you will also be able to analyze your visitors based on their source, the devices they use, and their geographical location. You can also monitor the performance of any pop ups on your page, reviewing visitor and conversion data to determine how well they are resonating with your audience. A crucial aspect of landing page analytics is behavior analytics. This helps you understand how users are interacting with your page, where they spend time, and more importantly, where they don't. This is key because you don't want important information to be overlooked. You can also track scroll behavior with a scroll map and measure the average time spent on each landing page element with an attention map. For example, if users aren't scrolling to the end of the page where your form is located, your conversion rate will likely drop. Analyzing behavior can give you valuable insights for refining your landing page strategy. For pages with forms, it is essential to evaluate form performance. With form analytics, you can see how many users started filling out the form, how many completed it, and how many abandoned it before submission. By examining field level statistics like how users interact with each field and which ones are left blank, you can decide if certain fields should be changed or removed. If a specific field shows a high hesitation time, it could be hindering your conversion rate. If your landing page is connected to Google Ads, you can track key metrics like impressions, clicks, conversions, and cost per click. Additionally, you'll get an overview of your total ad spend, revenue, return on investment, and the specific customers who converted through the landing page campaign. You can also review the top search keywords users entered and see how many clicks each keyword generated. In the Leads tab, you can differentiate between leads generated from the main landing page form and those collected via the pop up form. Finally, our SEO Insights feature provides detailed feedback on the SEO potential of your landing page along with a checklist of actionable suggestions to improve your page's ranking and visibility. Although we have covered a lot of valuable information in today's webinar, this is really just the beginning. There's so much more to explore, especially as you start working with landing pages and Zoho landing page on your own. As you dig deeper into the platform, you will uncover a wealth of advanced features and tools that can truly elevate your marketing efforts. Thank you all so much for joining us today. It's been a pleasure sharing these insights with you, and I hope you're feeling inspired to start implementing what you've learned. Now, we're going to open the floor for our Q&A session. So feel free to ask any questions you might have. We are here to help.